Hi, my name is Michael Arias and I am Chief Revenue Officer at Brevo. Personalization is essential to meeting customer needs, and it requires the right approach to data and the right technology. But it's also about creating the right moment. That's why I'm pleased to introduce you Brevo Push. Brevo Push allows you to send web and mobile push notifications to subscribers in real time, regardless if the user is on your website or using your app. Push also comes with pop-up capabilities, so you can send messages to website visitors regardless of their subscription status. Here is why these kind of messages are moment makers. Push notifications and pop-ups allow you to engage with your customer across devices, directly on their smartphone, on desktops, delivering timely and personalized messages that get noticed in the moment. They enhance engagement and catalyze conversions, whether it's a flash sale, important updates, or cart abandonment reminder. Push notifications and pop-ups ensure that your message is seen and get results. And they are great for inspiring action, whether to sign up for your newsletter, read a recommended article, or complete a customer satisfaction survey. Push notifications have impressive click-through rates, up to 9%, and for pop-ups it's even higher, up to 15%. They also serve as excellent re-engagement tools, with up to 30% success rates, which not only drives incremental revenue, but can also reduce your dependency on costly ad channels. As for privacy, Brevo Push allows you to communicate with users who prefer to stay anonymous while still being GDPR compliant. And with features for automation, geo-targeting, advanced segmentation, A/B testing, your messages will always be as relevant and as effective as possible. Just as important, pressure controls ensure you don't overwhelm your audience. With Brevo Push, you also get the benefits of native integration, something other solutions don't provide. That means you can easily build multi-channel automations that incorporate push, email, WhatsApp, SMS, and much more. Native integration also means you can streamline data collection because information from your pop-up forms flows directly into your Brevo database out of the box. The new Brevo Push is one more example of how we are continually innovating to help you use your customer data in new, more automated, and flexible ways.